ski, there's something I do with this part of me that I stiffen in here when I ski, but I don't know if I can ski on here, but I'll try. So I'm going across the hill now, and I'm on this leg, and I go down, I have to plant my pole, and I come up, and then I'm going to go around the other way. But as I do this movement of up and transferring feet to make my turn, I do something in here. I'm always holding in here when I'm skiing, but I don't know if you'll be able, like I say, it's kind of tricky when I'm not skiing. Maybe I could it's just like this, and I go around, carve a turn the other way, and like this. It's a little funny, isn't it? It has to do with, like, when I do the arm movement, like I plant the pole. Whoops, I just planted the wrong pole. Yeah.
What do you do with this? Do you turn it or not? Do you turn your head?
Yeah, I want to turn my head to go that way.
Okay.
Maybe I'll just do the left turn first. So I go down, I'm going along, I go down, I plant my pole, I come up and I'm looking over there. Yeah.
Okay. Now this moves up as you bend your knees.
Oh, as I bend my knees, this moves up. Oh, that's different. Yeah, okay. Uh-huh.
See, this is always moving up.
That's interesting. Okay, so as my knee bends, I'm going up.